Hey, this is Andrew, and today I'll be reviewing and demoing TORRAS iPhone 15 6.7-inch anti-glare screen protector set. What really sets this screen protector set apart from others are the tools that TORRAS has actually provided us, so it's easy to attach the screen protector and put it all together on the phone, without having to be an expert, of course. Now, it comes with two screen protectors, and while these screen protectors offer full coverage and are shatterproof, they're made to protect your screen, right? So remember, they're made to protect your screen, so in case one gets scratched up or cracks after use, you do have a backup screen protector that you can put on. Now, as I mentioned, it does come with all the tools that you need to clean your phone and actually attach the screen protectors, including wet wipes, microfiber cloths, dust removers, and an orange guide that fits around your phone. Alright, so I want to quickly demonstrate how to perfectly place the screen protector on, showing that you do not have to be an expert. Now, you'll see that I'm demonstrating this on an iPhone 14 Pro Max, as the 15 hasn't come out yet. However, since it does come with two screen protectors, I'll try it out and then attach the other one to an iPhone 15 if I like it. Okay, so first, you want to clean the screen, right, with a wet cloth, which I use on the front of the iPhone, of course. As the directions show, I use the wet cloth first to get rid of any fingerprints or sediment from the phone, and then what I do is actually use the dry cloth if I see any extra dust or smears or wet streaks, for example, from the wet wipe that I just used. Then I use the dust collector sticker if I see any particles of dust left on the screen. Now, once we have that done, we're ready to actually put the screen protector on. So you want to peel off the plastic covering on the sticky side of the screen protector. Of course, we want to actually have that sticky side facing down and then place it on top of the phone right away. You of course want to match it up to the edges as best as possible, which that guide really helps. Like I said, they have this orange guide there for a reason to help you do this, but again, it's fitted for the iPhone 15. Right now I have the 14 Pro Max, so it doesn't perfectly fit because they are different sizes. But when you're putting it on your iPhone 15, don't worry if you accidentally misalign it. You can raise it back up and put it back on. Now, what I do is I press down the middle from the top to the bottom, and sometimes I'll just kind of run my finger all the way down it, right? If there's any bubbles, you can normally push those out with your finger or check to see if there's a speck of dust that got caught underneath the glass, which you can remove using the dust remover that's provided. But if done correctly like this, you'll see that there's really no large bubbles and it's perfectly flush with the edges. And then to push out the small bubbles, you can use the white tool that's provided. That won't scratch the screen, but it will push any air out from underneath the glass. Now that it's on, you can see when I turn the phone that you can actually see the screen, but from an angle, others can't see your screen, right? You see that it disappears. It's also anti-glare, so as you can see, when I move it out in towards the light or out into the sun, it's not blinding you when actually reflecting the sun, okay? So as you can see here, I'm definitely satisfied with the TORRAS privacy screen protector and believe it will do a great job of protecting my iPhone 15. Enjoy!